Vax! Welcome back to my mini vlog. Vlog. And for today's video, pupunta tayo sa gym. So back to gym na tayo ngayon kasi nga Stefan is getting fat. I can see that. His tummy and he doesn't want to admit that. But of course I can see it because I'm with him every day, every single day. I'm the one who's feeding him,
yes,
you know. So I know it is. But me forever young. I wanna be forever. I'm kidding, guys. Okay, so yeah, see you there. Bye. Ay mga vlogs, welcome back. So, mag-gym tayo today. After many years. Charot. So, start muna tayo sa 4, walking 2 minutes, then after that, proceed tayo sa 6, then run 11. Okay?
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane. You're so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a
Hi everyone, welcome back. So now we're finished our gym time and we're heading back. No, we're not heading back to the Salamat. See, we're going to the apartment because we need to fix the apartment. Clean it because we're gonna leave it for good. Like leave it for good. Surrender it because we're not going there anymore. We're just visiting some time just to see what. Or take a shower, clean a little bit, but yeah, it's just a bit of waste of money and waste of time. So let's go. So here we are. This is my look for today. Can you see that, guys? My Dragon Balls. Ta-da! I'm kidding. I'm wearing shorts, guys. Don't worry.